In the summer, you started exploratory committee. How has that been for you, and what's leading for you?
One of the things that I've learned is that I am absolutely honored. I feel very humbled with the idea that I've had so many folks in the community, in the courthouse, people at the party. A lot of folks have offered me a significant amount of support, and I feel very honored with that. That's something that I think is a part of the process that I've learned about. And then the other part, obviously, is considerations of my family. That's very significant. This is really not the right time for my family. I don't know if you're aware, my dad passed a few years ago, so I take an outsized role as the paternal figure in my family, and so it's just not the right time for them. It took me an arduous several months to figure this out, but at this point, I think that it's important for me to basically announce that I'm not going to run for district attorney. I just got elected to this role last year, so this term started January of this past year. I have not even been a year in this particular office. And when I ran, I did promise the voters, and I did expect to fulfill that 4-year term. We have a lot to do in the county. If I get off the bench in order to run in December, that means that there would be over 3 years left in this term. The governor would appoint somebody. It would not be an elected person from the community. And so I think it's important that I give the voters an understanding that I do care about the job that I have now. I think it's important for me to continue doing what I'm doing in this position. My term will end in 3+ years, and when that term ends, obviously then I'll have an opportunity. As long as it's the right time for my family, it would be an opportunity for me to explore another type of office.
There's going to probably be a new DA. What are your hopes for that office?
My hope for the district attorney's office is, at least for the next term, I know that there's some very capable individuals in our community who could do a great job. I am here. Obviously, it's a different branch of government, so we don't communicate necessarily as it relates to how that office operates, but we do collaborate. The justice system is made up of so many different parts, so many organizations. I think it's important that we always work together and find common ground on how to make sure these cases flow appropriately. So my hope is that whoever it is that comes in, and I'm certain it'll be somebody qualified, somebody who's capable of doing the job, they will have my assistance to make sure that the judges are here to make sure that the cases are going to continue to operate efficiently. So my pledge is to do what I've always done, continue working very hard with all the branches of government, including the district attorney's office, to ensure that they have everything that they need to have a good, strong, effective office. Because if the DA's office is functioning effectively, the community feels safer.